The lottery win is already yours the moment you dare to claim it in the silence of your inner world, for nothing can be withheld from the one who has already received it in imagination. The secret is not in the numbers, not in the ticket, not in the odds, but in the inner conviction that what you seek is already seeking you. When you speak these words daily, when you impress them upon the deepest layers of your subconscious, you do not beg for a miracle, you activate one. You step into the reality where abundance is the norm and the impossible bends itself to your command. For the unseen responds not to doubt, not to fear, not to hesitation, but to the unwavering persistence of the inner voice saying, "It is done." Every day you become what you assume, and every night you return to the inner stage where your life rearranges itself according to the script you choose.